Hi there everyone, I'm Jerry. Was just sent this really cool device. This is a teleprompter that you can use with an iPad or your iPhone. Some of the neat features that this is very compact, very portable. It does have a 1-second open that allows you to open this up. Everything is already ready to go, which is really fantastic. It does have a connector on the bottom here that you can put onto a tripod. Now the tripod itself is actually not included, but they do include everything else that you need to be able to run this as a great teleprompter. One of the features is you can actually film from behind, so that way whenever you're reading this off the teleprompter, it looks like you're looking directly into the camera. And that can be obtained by using this piece here that they provide, either to snap in horizontal or vertical. This snaps right in there like that, and it is adjustable for different size phone devices. You can grab a recording device, simply place it in there like that, and we're going to line up the camera so where you can see on the other side here, the camera gets lined up and we're ready to record. Now, if you had a nice camera that you're wanting to use besides a phone, this piece here actually just pops out the whole back, and you can actually put a camera directly into the back there. It works just the same. So I'm going to get this set up. We're going to be able to put our teleprompting device directly on here like that, to where you can actually see it and read it directly through there, and we'll show you how it works. So I've got this teleprompter set up here, and I did want to also say it does come with a nice user manual, as well as some additional little pads that you can put on there just to kind of keep your phone or iPad from sliding around. Also does come with a Bluetooth remote. Now you're going to need to download the app, which is pretty simple to do. You have where the Bluetooth remote pairs with the device, and now your teleprompter that's set up on there allows you to push the middle button on this. It'll go ahead and start scrolling. So now I can say, hey, this is an easy folding, easy 1 second, easy to fold and carry, and supports. And then if you start running too fast, you can easily adjust it up or down by pushing the down button. It actually will scroll through and show you, hey, it supports 2 cameras, iPhones, tablets, and multi-device compatibility with a maximum support of 7.9 inches. So this works out really well, so you can scroll through there at your own speed using this little handy Bluetooth remote here. And if you need to pause it, you can easily pause that like that. It'll easily pause it on the device, so nobody has to actually see that, which is super cool. So this is a great way. You can replace the backing plate. It's suitable for various mobile phones, camera lenses. You know, its 1/4-inch expansion device screw hole can connect various tripods, lampstands, etc. And it's combined with the app, can text increase, decrease freely, and you can also change the background and font colors, pause or accelerate, decelerate, or even flip the pages. So it does a lot of cool features with this very simple design. Whenever you're all done, it's as simple as removing your device that you're using to project upon the teleprompter, close it up, easy 1 second, you're easy, ready to go, and store it, ready to travel again for the next time that you need it.